Hello, I'm Mark Senzik, massage therapist, board certified, continuing education provider. And here I'm going to show you a few techniques I do with my TMJ clients. You know, after I already evaluate them, I do a lot of neck work. You know, a lot of the neck work will resolve a lot of the TMJ issues, can. Anyway, here I'm going to teach you a few things. What I do is I sink into the temporalis muscle. And I kind of come down onto the arch. I start over here, go down to the arch. And when I find stuff, I just kind of do some cross friction. You know, ask her, how does this feel? Is it too deep?
No, it's good.
Okay.
It's good.
I just kind of go into the arch there. You know, I kind of curve my fingers around. Just kind of, doing a myofascial sinking in and release, you know, and do some cross friction in there. Then I start here at the temporalis bone and go into the masseter. And I go down here all the way to her chin. Just going to go in here and sink in. I do several times, several passes until you get a good feel that the tissue's releasing. Also, I come in here to the dimple. There's like a little indentation here, and that's where the
Did you mean to say temple?